Okay, lovelies, once again you are welcome to my channel. Okay, today we'll be putting on this bathing soap, swap bathing soap. Okay, and then in it I'll be putting a lot of ingredients to make it a cool moisturizing kind of soap. And so already here, and it's going to be a semi-hot process, of course. Look at this. Here I have my PKO and then my bleach palm oil, and it's still warm because I'm going to use the semi-hot process, so it's still going to be warm. And then I have the PKO of 460 grams, the palm oil 450 grams, and here I have my caustic solution. Okay, the caustic soda, and then the water. I've mixed it. So this is my light solution, and my light solution is still a bit warm because I'm going to be producing semi-hot process. Be careful when you are using the light solution so that it doesn't affect you. Okay, and then here is the oil again. So I'll be adding my oil color. You know, if you're using oily color, you have to put the color inside the oil because it goes with the oil. So you mix it together. Okay, you mix it. It's not mix your oil, the color with your oil, because it's a oily solution, oil color. So make sure you mix it very well. I'm using the yellow color. Okay, for those of you that have joined my online classes, kudos to you. I believe you are enjoying your time there. And those ones that are yet to join, what are you waiting for? Do join and let us keep. So when you have made sure that you have mixed your oil, make sure it's well mixed. Don't let it form any lump. Okay, then I'll be adding my silicate to it. I'll be adding silicate to it. So the silicate is poured into the oil, and here I have my 10% of the oil for my silicate. 10% of the oil is what I use in my silicate. So whatever you get for your oil, 10% of it will give you the silicate you are going to use. Okay, so having done that, I will be pouring my light solution now. The light solution is clear but still a bit warm. Okay, so you pour gradually and then mix. Pour gradually, mix. So you can see it. Soap is ready. So at this time it's called batter, and we have 3 different types of traces: the light trace, the medium trace, and the thick trace. So you can see it now that our batter is ready. The trace is still in medium trace. As much as possible, don't allow your soap to form thick while you are still mixing it. And so what are the other things I want to add? I want to add honey, because it's going to be honey type of soap. Okay, I have my honey here. I'm adding 50 grams of honey. No, I'm producing a moisturizing soap, so everything that will make your skin very pleasant and nice. Okay, so I've added this. Okay, I'll be adding my glycerin. And just add 5 grams of it. You can use a cup of your bottle, or you measure it. Then you mix. As you add your ingredients, you mix. Okay, and then I'll be adding my vitamin E. I'll be using 1 cup of the bottle too. Okay, you can begin to imagine what this soap is going to be like. Oh my god, I'm already thinking of how it's going to be like. But all the same, I want to make two colors. You know, I told you swap soap, so I want to make two colors out of it. So I just put a little here. You can see, because it's semi-hot, it's already forming gel. If you can look at it, it's already becoming so shiny and jelly like. So I put little here. So what do? I pour this into my mold. You can use any kind of your mold you want. I'm just using this one for the tutorial. So I pour it into the mold. Make sure you shake it so that it can enter every corner of it. Don't worry, my mold is a bit bigger than mine. So I'll be mixing another color with this. Okay, I decided to pour it inside this big so that I'll be able to mix it very well. You can see that I'm having green color here. Okay, you can just play about your design. You can see how it's coming out now. It's looking yummy. Okay, thanks for staying till now. Don't forget to buy my ebook and then join us on the online classes. See you then.